It's been over a year since work crews from the county jail or state inmates have cleaned up litter from alongside Washington County's highways and byways.
What has happened through COVID is that we really don't have the prisoner work crews that used to go out and clean up our roadways.
So Washington County formed its own two-man cleanup crew to replace them.
And so today I'm going out with our new crew, and we're going to pick up litter and clean up the roadway because we live in a beautiful area and we really want to keep it that way.
Funded in part through the Washington County Solid Waste District, the county created the Streets Highways Beautification cleanup program.
They have always set aside money for the sheriff's office crews, but now we're having to redirect that for labor. But we bought all the equipment and will continue to maintain and get the stuff that we need so it's safe, as well as that they have the tools.
County commissioners and others joined the new crew along I-15 on Earth Day.
It's a great day, Melissa. We're going to make some progress today.
This could be usable. I mean, if I needed to measure something 3 feet at a time, I could use this.
Whoever said one man's trash is another man's treasure probably never picked up discarded materials alongside the road. Jacob Rognaby used to work for the California Department of Transportation for 20 years. He took this position to make a difference.
Looking a lot like what California used to look like.
And although he may be dressed like an inmate, the county clerk and auditor also wants to make a difference. Finding anything good in there?
No treasures yet.
That's the worst styrofoam, because it just breaks up and goes and never deteriorates.
Cleanup crews began combing the median, finding all sorts of debris, some the wind blew in and some that people threw out or left behind.
Obviously, people should always pick up trash wherever they find it, whether they find it alongside the road in front of their house, whether they find it in a parking lot. There are a lot of roadways around town that also are being impacted with litter. I'd encourage people to go out and take some time to pick up litter.
They are hoping this new program will influence and encourage others to step up and do the same.
But it's notable to comment on others who are volunteering and groups that have stepped up, that they will be able to organize through this Washington County cleanup crew and therefore get more highway done.
We're doing this because we care, and we'd also like to invite the rest of the county just to join with us. And let's keep our county clean and litter free, and let's take care of our public lands, the lands that we enjoy going out and recreating in. And let's just continue to make Washington County the wonderful place that we love to live.
Commissioners remind us that public dumping is illegal and major fines can be levied if caught. They encourage people to take their leftovers to the county landfill and do not burn it.
Also, people can take personal trash they've gathered to the dump, and up to a ton a month they can deposit it for free.
One piece at a time, these volunteers want to set a good example, keeping our county beautiful.
Well, tomorrow's my 50th birthday, and I thought, hey, what can I do to celebrate 50? And I decided I'd come out and pick up trash.
50 bags.
Yeah, 50 bags, that's the goal.
And hopefully we'll get ahead of it.
In Washington County, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.